Alright, so I just thought I'd make a quick video on how to do a oxygen sensor on a RX-8 because I couldn't find much when I was searching YouTube, so I did it in the garage. It was actually pretty straightforward, pretty simple. I got one of these crow's foot tools specifically that made it a lot easier to do. I'll show you that now. So this is the setup I used. Basically just sort of went up in around like that, and it was pretty simple, pretty straightforward to get it off. This is a, what's that? 7/8 22 mil oxygen sensor removal tool. Came in a kit, but this was all I used. Top sensor is in behind the manifold and behind the oil filter. It might be easier if you take the filter off first, but I was able to get in there easily enough, relatively small hands. I do have the washer bottle out at the moment though, which made access a little bit easier for me.